let's solve the question number 30 from NLM chapter, that is Newton's laws of motion. In this question, what is given is pulley and the strings are light and the mass of this block is 1 kg and this block is also 1 kg. We have to find tension in the string. Since there is only one string connected to both the blocks, we can write it as, suppose there is tension T in this block, in this string, so tension T is also here as well and here as well. Now we have to draw the ABD of both the blocks and write separate equation of motions for each block, and after on solving the two equations we will get the value of the tension. Suppose this block is going down with acceleration A, okay, so this block will be going with acceleration A in this direction, that is in left direction, since these are connected with the same string. Now drawing the ABD of this block, what we get, 1 into G, this is the weight of the block acting in a downward direction, and tension T is acting in upward direction, acceleration is in downward direction. So what we get, equation of motion will look like G, that is 1 into G minus T is equal to mass into acceleration of the block. What is the mass? 1 kg. So we 1 into A, that is A. This is our first equation. Now ABD for second of this block is, since the block is of 1 kg, tension T is acting in this direction, acceleration is also in this direction. So writing the equation of motion in horizontal direction for this block, in horizontal direction we will get T is equal to mass of the block into acceleration of the block. Mass is 1 and acceleration is A. So this is our second equation. Now putting the value of T equal to A in first equation, we can easily get the tension. So from equation 1 we get G minus, in place of T we can, in G minus T is equal to, in place of A we can put T, so that G is equal to 2T, so that T is equal to G by 2, that is 10 by 2, so that T is equal to 5 Newton. So this is our answer. It was a very simple question and I think I have explained the solution in very simple way. So if you find this video easy to understand and useful, please share and like this video and subscribe the channel to get more such easy solutions. Thank you.